The design phase is supposed to take weeks. For most builders, it drags on for months, not because clients are slow, not because the design is complex, because they are being asked to make a decision about a home they haven't experienced. So the questions start. Will it feel too small? Will the light be right? Can we see another option? Every question turns into a meeting, and each meeting pushes everything back. And if you're running 15 to 20 homes a year, that delay compounds fast. They're not indecisive. They're trying to picture something that's actually hard to visualize. You show them a plan, some samples, maybe a few renders, and they try to build the home in their head. Most people can't do that accurately, so they say they need more time. The design phase doesn't end when you've explained enough. It ends when the client runs out of things to be uncertain about. And the fastest way to do that is to stop asking them to imagine the home and let them walk through it instead. Builders who do this all describe the same thing. The questions stop. Not because the client was rushed, because they've already walked the home. They've seen every room and made every decision from a place of certainty. The home wasn't built yet, but they'd already experienced it. The interesting part is how simple this is to do. The 3D model your designer already built, the one sitting on their hard drive, is all you need. Simply upload it to Enviz, send your client a link, they open it on their own device and walk through their home. Every room, at scale, in the proportions of their design. And that's what pulls weeks out of your design phase. If you want to see how this works on one of your designs, click the link below. In the next video, I'll show you what happens when a client wants to change something and how builders are handling that in minutes instead of booking another meeting.